Hello everyone. After my movie project about Thomas and the Magic Railway in Hogwarts, I thought I'd just give you something to remember about something like the game ever remembered. This game, it's been brought in the new 2000s when I used to have the card camera. It's about a postman, and I've seen the film on YouTube called Best Game Ever Made. But it has a van. I once had a play of the game on an emulator, Atari ST emulator that is. It's for Amiga, which is my old-time computer, and I've just turned the volume down because, to be quite honest, I don't want to wake up Mum and Nate. Yeah, so anyway, in case you're wanting to know what this is called a morning slumber. I'm still in my pajama clothes. Well, let's have a look at the game. Okay, you remember the screen picture? It has the floppy disk, and the words are upside down. Amiga Workbench, and there's the letters, a letter with the numbers, V1.3. It's Postman Pat for Amiga. See, this is the main screen with a picture of Postman Pat holding a letter in his right hand. There's his cat Jess, Ted Glenn with his hammer in the left hand, Mrs. Goggins, Miss Hubbard, and Peter Fogg. And behind them is a red wall with the green door, and there's the post office. Well, let's have a look at the game. Main game with minute games, undo, snakes and ladders, and snap. I'll show you the main game. There's 2 difficult levels. You can choose easy or hard. The hard is you'll be crashing, and easy when you can't crash. Well, let's see how we go in the hard level. There's us in the van, look at that. And we've got 25 minutes to deliver the letters. And slow it down a bit. Oh, I've just crashed and Pat gets another van. As we just drove round the corner, I just crashed. Okay, we're in the post office. We collect today's post. This parcel is for Dr. Gilbertson. Oh, oh, oh. Careful. Okay, now we've done that. The next part is we deliver the letters. Three of them we deliver. Oops! Oh dear, we've crashed another one. Uh-oh, there's the last one. Let's hope we don't crash. The hard level I'm thinking is a bit hard to choose. So that's why I'm using the easy level. I'm going to stop here because I'm to... Oops, missed. I need to get back to what I'm doing with my main project. Oop. Oh, bonkers, another crash. Game over. Okay, we'll try again with the easy level. Which means if you bump into anything, nothing happens. I'll show you the locations of where to deliver the parcel. Okay, it's George Lancaster. I do like to play one of these games. Never played one since I was young in the 90s. Wow, look at how it was made in the trunks here, 1989. There's some catch that can tell you why you drive over the puddles. When your thumb is on the arrow, the van doesn't wobble over them. Except it does when you're not pressing the arrows. We'll do the letters and then I better stop. That's not it. Well, that's it. that you may consider it as something to remember in this year, 2015. I mean, what would be nice to use with the Amiga computer, a typing software? I was wanting to do that, but, well, I don't know. It's a bit complicated. If you can find Postman Pat for Amiga, the Spectrum C Commodore 64 or Atari ST in eBay, buy it. It's great. And let's get into my clothes and do my project. Right after I save my film movie.